Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to wear a face mask. How to wear a face mask. So I'm sure some of you have heard about face masks, but what are they for? What purpose could they possibly have? Face masks, as the name suggests, are clothing apparatus that go directly on the face. The main reason why you'd want to cover your face with a face mask is to protect you from birds, such as crows or eagles that intend to peck at you at will. The material of the face mask should cushion some of the impact of the bird attacks when the face mask is directly on you. Not only that, but it will also protect you from bird poo, so it is a very well thought out bird protection product. There are of course other useful reasons to be wearing a face mask, such as for style purposes, or to warm up your face if it is cold, or to hide a body part that you are ashamed of, such as your eyeball. These are all the possible reasons that I can think of for wearing a face mask. I don't think there's any more. No, nothing else comes to mind for wearing a face mask. No. So now that we know why we need a face mask, the next step will be to get yours. Fortunately for me, I managed to locate my face mask directly from my drawer, but if you're unable to locate any there yourself, then there's probably some lying on the ground somewhere. But you probably might want to wash it first beforehand, because bugs could have crawled on it, and that is absolutely disgusting, those little insect creatures. Yuck. Ugh. So now that you've obtained your pack of face masks, the next step will be to get one out, and that is done as follows. Oh, I just hit my nose. Oh. Oh, my nose. Oh, there's a flap here. Okay. And then you just take one out, like this. Oh, they all came out. And this is what your face mask should look like once it's out the packet. As you can see, on one side it is slightly blue, on the other side it is slightly less blue. Here it has some string, and if you flip it to the other side, there's some more string here. Also, if you notice on the more blue side, it can do stuff like this. That's quite cool. Now, how do you actually wear the face mask? Well, as the name suggests, the face mask goes on your face. So this is the kind of general area that you should be looking to aim towards when putting on the face mask. Please watch carefully as I show you how to put the face mask on now. This is what you should do. Grab this end, and this end as well if you want, and then you put it on your face, like this. Just like that. Then put it down slightly for a more comfortable fitting. So just a bit lower, like that. Just adjust accordingly. And that is really how it's done. You can wear it a bit higher if you want to. Like that. You can wear it on different parts of the face. You can wear it here, for example, or you can wear it a bit lower. A lot of people tend to wear it like this. This is an option as well, but it's really only going to protect you around the neck area, so just bear that in mind when you're applying your face mask. What area of the face do you want to protect most importantly? I personally like to wear the face mask like this, so that it protects a lot of my forehead and my eyeball sockets. Please remember though, that you're free to wear your face mask however you like. And that is how to put on a face mask. Now, I know that is a lot of information for you to take in, and I probably should have made a full series on this topic, probably stretching to around 10 videos, but I thought I would just try and squeeze it into this one video, just to kind of give you an oversight into how to wear a mask. So please forgive me if there's something that you don't understand, and I'll possibly try and go into further detail next time around. Remember that once your face mask is on, then you shouldn't need to worry about incoming bird attacks. So best of luck wearing yours. I will catch you all later. See you. Goodbye. Well, it's quite hard to breathe in this thing. Don't know how other people do it. Oh no. I decided to put more face masks on to give me added protection, but now I can't see what I'm doing. Help me. Please, help. I don't know where I am. Help me.